Hi Ellen, my name is Jen, and my funny hidden talent is a trick I do with my leg. To say I have above average range of motion at my hip is a bit of an understatement. So this is really my leg. It's not artificial or anything. I can move it around still, I can lean on it if I really want to. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to record reactions of everyone that I showed. So here we go. No. I can do that.
Yeah, that's okay.
And I was like, it doesn't hurt or anything.
She said she can kick somebody.
Okay. Anyone, how far can you like bend your leg up to the side? How far is the Jenna?
Oh no.
Okay, like that's normal, right? Okay. Jesus Christ.
No, pick up anything.
I assume you messed up your knee.
That's so gross. Ricky knows. Can you go further than that, Jen, or do you just not want to? Oh my god.
Ooh, it's stretching a little.
Yeah.
What the hell? Look. Tickle, 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 tickle.
That's my trick. Can you do that?
That's pretty cool. But wait, how does that work? But is this really your leg?
Yeah, touch it. Yeah, like still my leg, still moves.
This reaction's way better than the trick.
Yeah. My leg completely. Yeah, moved around.
I'll show you.
That was my leg.
What?
Yeah. My trick.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Doesn't hurt at all. Go a little bit farther. I can still move around. So it moves it completely. Hello. Yeah, you've never seen it.